Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your YouTube thumbnail. A good thumbnail makes your videos look more attractive and can help get more clicks. This tutorial is for the YouTube dashboard. To edit the thumbnails of our videos, we first need to click the mini profile logo in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From there, we go to YouTube Studio. Here, we can see all our content, dashboards, analytics, community, subtitles, and more. We can see our videos right away. To edit a video, we go to Content and then click Edit to open the details. Once inside, we can see the thumbnail section. We will notice 3 vertical dots. We just need to click those 3 vertical dots to change the thumbnail. We can upload a file from our device. If this is our first time, we may need to verify our phone number before uploading. Once verified, we click the 3 vertical dots, select Upload a file, and then choose the thumbnail we want. Then we click Upload to apply it. And that's it. That's how we update our YouTube video thumbnails to improve our channel's appearance and get more viewers to click on our videos.